My dear students, greetings from CCDA. I am Colonel Lalit Chamola, Sena Medal retired, and now mentoring students who aspire to become officers in the Indian Defence Forces. यह वीडियो उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो एसएसबी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या एसएसबी में जाने के लिए तैयार हैं. Students, we do not make large and loud claims because हमारे results ये दिखाते हैं and the feedback from our students कि that everyone has gone 100% satisfied from this academy. We don't even train you only for SSB. We train you for life. We ensure that when you go out of this academy, आपकी जीवन में एक परमानेंट चेंज और एक परमानेंट कॉन्फिडेंस आपके अंदर आया हो. हाउ डू वी प्रिपेयर? वी प्रिपेयर यू सिंपली by making 4 basic changes in you. पहला is a basic change in your personality. How do you walk? How do you talk? How do you engage with people so that you stand out? Second is we make you self-confident, disciplined, and a natural leader. The third is that we ensure that you are not afraid to take any risk. You take leadership, you are decisive, and above all, we prepare you fully for life by identifying your strengths, your weaknesses, and then हम उसके ऊपर काम करते हैं on individual. It is an academy where we focus on individuals and as a group how to develop leadership. अब जहां तक एसएसबी का सवाल है, most of you are aware कि एसएसबी is a test जो एक्चुअली में बहुत इजी है because there is no syllabus for this. It is only a test of your personality and that is judged by 3 people: the psychologist, the GTO, and the interviewing officer. Forget about OLQs. बहुत लोग इंसिस्ट करते हैं जिसके अंदर OLQs नहीं है. Most of you who are aspiring have got it. उसको बाहर निकालने की जरूरत है. I'll come one by one on each subject. इसी साइकोलॉजी. साइकोलॉजी में what is a psychologist looking for? His means are, his tools are, आप उसको लिख करके क्या देते हो? That is stories, WAT, the blank story and SRTs. अगर जो उसको चाहिए, जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट को चाहिए वो आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकें तो why will he not grade you? Remember, SSB के अंदर जो भी SSS बैठे हुए हैं, they can neither fail you nor can they pass you. They will only give you marks for your performance and the marks are dependent on what you produce. जो आप हमको दिखाएंगे उसी के अनुसार हम आपको नंबर देंगे. And if that number meets our requirement, that is the organization's requirement, you will reach the academy. So psychologist में the main test is the TAT. That is how you write a story. Remember, the other 3 batches, your blank story, your WAT, as also your SRT, ये सारे के सारे confirmatory हैं. टेस्ट तो TAT है, that is the story writing. So what do? We tell you how to write a story, not to what to write, how to write a story. उसके बाद हम उसको चेक करते हैं. We check the stories many times till the time you reach that level of acceptability. और जब आप उसको पहुंच जाते हैं वहां तक, which is a requirement of a psychologist, then you feel confident, you produce the results in the SSB and you are through. So psychology, the psychologist never sees you. He sees you only through your work and work of stories which you write. And how are they confirmed in the blank? The SRT and the WAT. Remember, there are in these 4 tests, 2 tests, that is the TAT and the SRT are open test. The other 2 are the closed or the blind test. If they all confirm or match with each other, there is no way you will not make it. Now we come to the GTO. GTO has got the longest time with you people. He's got almost 2 days with you, spanning over 7 to 8 tests. इंडोर, जिसमें कि हम आपको तैयार करते हैं फॉर योर ग्रुप डिस्कशंस, योर ग्रुप प्लानिंग, योर लेक्चरेट्स, एज वेल एज आउटडोर टास्क ऑफ the group task, which is your PGT, HGT, FGT, as also your command task. Now here you are actually seeing each other one-to-one, face-to-face. Ab, how to exercise leadership, how to take initiative, how to stand out. Not that you have to show off. It is just that you must stand out as a leader. Leader of whom? Leader of men. And the men क्या है? The group. So remember, though it is a group task, but you are being individually assessed for your performance. And here हम आपको इतना ट्रेन कर देते हैं, इतनी अच्छी तरह से individually focus करके, that I am very sure when you go, you will be very, very good and confident. And the last is the interviewing officer. The interviewing officer generally आपको interview करते हैं for approximately 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes maximum. बहुत rarely it will go to 1 hour. Now, interview का मतलब है, it is basically I view you, which means the interviewing officer is viewing the candidate and the candidate simultaneously viewing the interviewing officer. तो दोनों एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं and obviously both are trying to gauge ये क्या पूछेगा और दूसरा ये कैसे जवाब देगा. Now the art lies in as the candidate leading the interview. So where we train you how to answer so that वो answer जो आप दें, it becomes a leading question for the interviewing officer. And if it becomes a leading question of your field of expertise, of your field of ease, will it not become easy? It will become easy. And if it becomes easy, then you are a very, very selectable person who will get selected. So, in detail, over 3 to 4 weeks, we train you so well. We train you with so much of devotion and dedication and leave no stones unturned. I am very sure, आप यहाँ आइए, experience for yourself and you will enjoy it. We have got very good facilities for hostel accommodation. You will feel very comfortable. We've got a good GTO ground. We have got n number of specialists here who will train you, and I'm very sure you will learn a lot. So, आइए, come to CCDA Dehradun. I will personally ensure that you people excel. And एक बात मैं आपको बता दूं, everybody may not qualify in SSB, but when he goes from this academy, he will feel very confident that he will do well in SSB. But my aim is not only to prepare you for SSB. My aim is prepare the students for life. Life आपने जीनी है. Life आपकी है. And if you have that will in you, we will sharpen it to a level कि आप जिंदगी में सक्सेसफुल जरूर होंगे. So come to us, experience for yourself, and sure enough become a good officer and above all a good man, lady and a citizen of this particular country. Jai Hind, Namaskar.